Hi there, this is Richard from ColorLogic in the UK from the support team. I'm going to make a little movie to show you how to install our FX Viewer application. So what happens is you go into the client login area in the Vault and you've downloaded our installer file. So once you've uncompressed that, that will create this folder here. So you've got the installer, so double click the installer and then it will basically ask you to read this information. The most important part is you need this part here, which is our GhostScript version. So GhostScript is the RIP that hides in the background that will process the files. Do not use any other version of GhostScript off the internet that you may find. It needs to be this one from our support place that specifically works with our FX Viewer. So once you've downloaded that, that's fine, and install that application. We're going to click on continue and we're going to install, we're going to agree. It's going through, it's processing it, and it does an activation check and clicks on continue, and then you're finished. Now what happens is you then go on to your applications folder where it's installed it. So you look for the ColorLogic folder and see where it is, ColorLogic. You'll see it's now installed an FX Viewer folder, and there is the application. So we can now get rid of that, that's our installer. There's the application. So now when we double click on this, it's going to basically ask for you to activate the application, and you need to do so by clicking the URL and basically following this information. So when you click on that, it will then go through to a website. Let me just bring my other slave monitor over so you can see what's happening. It will bring up this support thing. So there you have a request number. So you need to fill out the activation request number by typing it in here. So you type in the 87233, whatever number is there. These are unique to your computer, one installation per computer, so it locks it to that computer. We can free up those licenses and switch them on and off, so if you do have problems we can deactivate and reactivate as needed. So all you need to do, put in information, fill this out, send it through to our applications team. They will then do a cross-check on your company to make sure you're a valid licensee and that it's not a fake or copied version of our software. You will then be sent an activation code by email to the details that you put in here, so your information for your confirmation email is important. Once you've got that confirmation code, put it into here and click on Activate Now, and your program will then run. It is as simple as that. So download the plugin installer, run the installer, which basically puts the application onto your hard drive, which is what we saw here. Double click on the application, and when it comes up and says to you put in your activation codes, etc., and there you go. So quite a simple system. It's just if you miss out that one important step of going to your hard drive and getting the application to actually open, you wouldn't see it. Okay, so any questions or concerns, always direct them to support@color-logic.com, and please do use our support lines because I'm going to our sales team. They're often on the road and traveling or at trade shows and exhibitions, so support times will be reduced if you try and contact any other member of staff other than our support team. And you can contact support also through our website. In the top right hand corner of our website, I'll just show you here. Let's go to ColorLogic. And in the top right hand corner of our system here, you've got support, and you can email us for support here. We also have our FAQs, which will tell you basically our most commonly asked questions have been responded to there. Okay, so if you have any more questions, do get in touch. Thank you, have a great day.